Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC RGB mechanical gaming keyboard? You might be surprised by what this gaming keyboard has in store for you. Welcome back to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're diving deep into the Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, a favorite among gamers for its sleek design and impressive features. First up, let's talk about the low-profile mechanical switches. They provide the speed, accuracy, and performance of a traditional mechanical switch, but at half the height. It's a real game changer for both casual and hardcore gamers alike. Next, we have the LIGHTSYNC technology. This keyboard synchronizes RGB lighting with your content for an immersive experience. You can personalize each key from a stunning palette of 16.8 million colors using the Logitech G Hub software. Now let's look at the 5 programmable G keys. These keys can be customized with macros for your games or apps, which can be a huge advantage in competitive play. However, keep in mind that you'll need the Logitech G Hub to set these up. The Logitech G815 also comes with dedicated media controls, including an edgeless volume wheel that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. It allows for quick play, pause, and skip without interrupting your gaming sessions. Lastly, let's talk about build quality. The G815 is crafted using aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, giving it a thin yet rigid structure, making it both durable and elegant. However, while it looks fantastic, some may find it too heavy for frequent transport. In conclusion, the Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC RGB mechanical gaming keyboard is a fantastic option for gamers seeking performance and visual delight. It has its few downsides, like weight and the need for software to unlock full potential, but overall, it is highly recommended. Remember, investing in a quality keyboard can elevate your gaming experience immensely. If you are interested in purchasing the Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC, click the link in the description below for the best prices.